New hair, who this? Because we are here for the bob. You know, bob, is it bobbing or what?
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you.
What's up, shorties? Welcome back to another episode of Romanticizing My Everyday Life. My name is Danae if you're new here, and if you're not, welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. We are back at it again with another episode, so let's get started. Today is Saturday, April 8th. I'm about to go get my hair done. I'm so excited. I'm in a rush. I got dressed and I was like, I want to start a video for y'all, but yeah, I'm in a rush, so I'm ready. I'm gonna leave and I'll be back once I get my hair done. Just a quick update. My best friend's birthday is coming up, so we are going to St. Martin, so we about to turn up. Anyway, I'm excited because I haven't had my hair done in such a long time. The salon that I go to, pampering AF. They do everything for you. Like, you don't have to come wash, you don't have to come blow dried, all of that nonsense. I love this salon, so I'm really excited to go. I don't want to miss my appointment, and I had got a last minute appointment. I was so hyped. So I'm gonna run there and I'll be back. Bye. New hair, who this? Because we are here for the bob. You know, bob, is it bobbing or what? You said what you said? I'm back. I got my hair done. It's gonna take some getting used to because I'm usually like bust down, scent apart, jet black, all of that. But I decided to try something different. So, you know, trying to get adjusted to the change or whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna eat something. I'm going to do my makeup to see how I like it, and then guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna try on our outfits for St. Martin. Put together a few outfits, but my hair wasn't done yesterday, and I took pictures, and you know, when you put on outfits, like, your hair have to be done or else it's just not gonna hit the same. So we're gonna eat, I'm gonna do my face, and I'll be back. I said I wasn't gonna come back on here until my makeup was done and we was gonna try on outfits, but I wanted to touch on something since the whole series is called Romanticizing Your Daily Life, right? So I was like, let me come on here, let me chit chat with y'all. Let me give you guys some words of inspiration to help you just romanticizing your life. Like, romanticizing your life is just being in love with your life. That's what I think it is, right? But sometimes it's really hard to be in love with the life that was given to you because there's a lot of things that you probably went through, currently going through, that are not romantic, to put it plain and simple and black and white. I guess what I'm trying to say is, when you appreciate life and you know that you're not living for yourself, you're living for God, you're living to fulfill the purpose that He has instilled in you, there's something really, really beautiful about that. And that's something to romanticize, because even though life throws things at you that you don't expect, that you feel like you really can't handle, there's something really special about knowing that you're never dealing with these things alone, and the things that He puts you through, the battles, the struggles, all of that, it not only does it build character, but it's creating a testimony. And the more open you are to that idea, like, you know, life is kicking me right now, but this is all a part of my story, a part of my testimony, a part of something a lot more beautiful. That's when you can romanticize it, because you understand that even though the scenario right now may not be romantic, in the long run, there is something that is just like so much bigger than what you see in front of you right now. And you know, your story is great. Your story is really great. And becoming the woman that you are is a beautiful journey, and embracing that is a really important thing. So I said, let me turn on the camera and let me speak to you guys from my heart to let you guys know that even though there are things that are not romantic, not beautiful, not perfect, life is still worth romanticizing. And that's that on that. So thank you for coming to my TED Talk this week. I'm back. Like I said, I was gonna be back. I did my makeup, so we're gonna do a try on for my St. Martin outfits. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my suitcase because I packed my suitcase last night. And I put all the outfits together, but my hair wasn't done. So now that my hair is done, my makeup's done, we're gonna try my outfits together, and I'm gonna put y'all on game to where I got my from. Nah, but seriously, I wanted to show y'all, so let's go. All right, so that I have structure to this, what I did last night, I took pictures of my outfits and I put them based on what we're doing for the day because my friend gave me an itinerary. So I'm gonna start off with my St. Bart's outfit. So we're going to St. Martin. The following day we're gonna be going to St. Bart's. So we're gonna start off with the St. Bart's outfit, okay? Okay, so we are starting off strong with this really cute dress from Pretty Little Thing. This is our St. Bart's outfit. We have a cute Japanese bag. I got the platform sandals from Pretty Little Thing too. And the dress. I might even add a sun hat. Just to give it a little je ne sais quoi, you know. But yeah, this is the dress. And the outfit for St. Bart's. Okay, so this outfit is from Shein. I really love the skirt. Like, the skirt is given for me. Like, I would wear this again and again and again. This is one of those skirts that like you make multiple outfits with. But I decided to pair it with this top, this tie in the back top from Shein as well. Is the tag sticking out? Of course it is. But I thought it was really cute. I might add something on top of it so it's not too much showing. When I'm showing legs, I don't like to show too much top. So I might put something on top of it. And then I have a wooden bag also from Shein. Now this dress, I'm in love with this dress. I saw this in Forever 21 in the city and I was like, I have to have this dress. So to me, I'm gonna bring this because it's giving very much brunch. It's giving very much endless mimosas. It's giving eggs Benedict. But I think this dress is so cute. It's really form-fitting, flattering with the little slit on the side. Yes, immediately yes. Okay, next we have a one-piece from Pretty Little Thing. And listen. You cannot go to the Caribbean without an all-white outfit. Like, you always gotta have an all-white outfit. And then I decided just now to add a pop of color and throw on this cover up from Fashion Nova just to give me a little pizzazz, shazazz. You know, we're gonna accessorize it or whatever, make it look cute, but this outfit, again, immediately, yes. Next, we have a chartreuse two-piece set from Fashion Nova, which I am absolutely in love with. I had to get this in a medium because they didn't have my size and I was absolutely in love with this set. I was like, I have to have it. So I'm supposed to be wearing a small, but I ordered the medium because that's all they had. And I'm gonna get it tailored. So once it's tailored, what are they telling me? Nothing. See this? This right here, this fit right here, it's fire. Glasses are from Amazon. The cover up is from Misguided. And the two-piece white bathing suit is from Shein. That moment. This is gonna be the moment of the trip. Like, you know the highlights part? This is it. We have a two-piece moment from Icon Swim. I absolutely love this bathing suit because of the asymmetrical sleeve. I think that's really cute. I love the colors. I love the gold accent, which is really cute. And I think for this, I might add some glasses. Let's see if I got some glasses. Can we get a moment for the bathing suit and the glasses? So the glasses are from Amazon. I'm gonna post my storefront down below so y'all can see where I got it from and y'all can get y'all own because these glasses are very cute, very versatile. I've worn them a couple of times, but I think this right here, I'm finna slay. Like, I don't know if the bob got me feeling myself Or I could really like put some on. Cause baby. Okay. And last but not least, we have this top from Garage. I might get another one because I've been washing this a lot and it looks a little dingy. You know when the white gets dingy. So I might buy another one for the trip, but I thought it looked really cute with this skirt from Shein. It's asymmetrical. I think I have a thing for asymmetrical stuff. No. But this skirt I thought was really cute for like a brunch vibe. And it looks really cute with this skirt with the top, and I think with some silver accessories. But yeah, that is all for my try-on outfits for my St. Martin trip. I'm waiting on some more stuff, so once that heat come in the mail, we gonna put that on, okay? We gonna put that ish on, and I'm gonna put y'all on. So yeah, that's it for today. Hi guys, it is a new day. Today is Sunday, April 9th. Right now it is 1:34. Ruth and I already got up. We went to the gym. That's why you're seeing me in my gym attire. It was a good workout. We spent like an hour in the gym, so that was good. We had breakfast, and as you can see, we cleaned up the room because we are getting ready to head to the mall. Now, I'm going to the mall because I need to get some last minute things for this trip to St. Martin. Number one, I want to get some sandals because I feel like I don't have enough sandals, which I probably do, but you know, it doesn't hurt to get more. It never hurts to get more sandals. So I want to do that. I want to get a nice headscarf because I feel like the wind on that boat ride to St. Bart is gonna be crazy, and I wasn't really feeling the hat yesterday with the dress, so we'll see. So the agenda is to go to the mall, get a scarf, and maybe 2 pairs of sandals. So I will get ready, and I'll see you guys later. Everything is closed, y'all. We came to Bath and Body Works. I want to go to Primark and The Cut. They're closed. All right. We are back in the car because today was a total bust. All the stores are pretty much closed. Bloomingdale's was closed. Nordstrom was closed. Steve Madden was closed. Neiman Marcus was closed. Everywhere that I would have gone for some sandals, some last minute sandals, they were closed. So I ended up I even went to Zara. Zara didn't have anything. So I ended up in Aldo. And I got something from Aldo. I will show you guys later. But yeah, it was a total waste. Good morning. It is Thursday, April 13th, and I'm getting ready to leave for the flight. So I'm going to take y'all with me. See, my bags are packed. We are ready to go. We are packed and ready to go. We are vaxxed, waxed, and ready to go. So I'll see you guys when I get to the airport. Bye. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Welcome to St. Martin.